Some of y'all cook a quick breakfast, baby. So we might be locked in. Let me tell you something. Eggs and rice, where I come from, ain't never failed me yet. So I got me 3 eggs in here with a little milk and some salt and pepper. We do it old school. When I was a kid, show you how to stretch. Let me show you how to stretch your meal. You got a whole bunch of kids. I'll be right back. I got that skillet hot. Now, put that egg in there. Put that egg in there. Let it scramble. Wait, been a minute some change. Add them seasonings. Add that onion, that green onion, that bell pepper. Add that in there. Show you how to cook for them children. Yeah, this could be breakfast or lunch or dinner. And start saying, Mommy and Daddy, Mommy and Daddy, we ain't got no meat in there. You found one little piece of Lincoln sausage. You can cut it in 18, 25 pieces. Throw that in there. Oh yeah. Y'all cheering about to eat good. Yeah. Look, it ain't even 5 minutes yet. Y'all cheering about to eat, baby. Oh, and it smells good in here. Mommy and Daddy, this ain't gonna be enough for us. Oh yes it will, baby. Let me show you. Add that rice to that. Add that rice. Stretch it out. Just for the feed 2. That's 2 eggs. That's 2 eggs with a little milk, little seasoning. Watch this. They don't know. They don't. You better go to the store get some eggs and some rice. And I thank you. You hear the song that's playing, huh? Enlarge my territory. Come here, little boy and little girl. Bring that plate here. Mom and Daddy, what that is? Breakfast stir fry. That's what it is. Breakfast stir. Turn this off. Nah. Got a bowl for you and a bowl for you. Nah. Tell me that won't feed baby. What this is? That's like 2 fish and 5 loaves of bread. Look at that. Look at that, baby. What is called? What is called, Daddy? Breakfast stir fry. Bring me that bowl here. Here you go, y'all. That go that egg and rice with some sausages in it. Nah, baby, you can stretch your meal. Then the chair sit up there and say, Mommy and Daddy, I want something to drink. No, eat your food first, then you get something to eat. Because you ain't going to be drinking all that juice up. And then I was in that kitchen making that gourmet breakfast for you. And you sit up there and want to drink all that juice and don't want to eat your food. The way I slaved in this kitchen just now, if you don't eat that damn food,